So we're going to look at a thumb technique, and this is a technique for Dequervain Tenosynovitis, which involves the, what we're going to do is we're going to try and do some of the work of the wrist the thumb extensors and the abductors, and also to offload the soft tissue around here, because we know that the tendons do not like tensile loads and also compressive loads, which could aggravate the symptom. So we're going to do a little bit of both the things to reduce the compressive load by offloading it and the tensile load. So here what we're going to do is take a strip. So this is the anatomical snuff box. Can you do this way? So we've got the anatomical snuff box there. So we're going to place a strip and bring out two ends so that we go around the anatomical snuff box, and in that way we will create a soft tissue offload here also. So we want a nice lever arm, so we're gonna take off the backing shift first. So you should be already trimming the corners so that it doesn't peel off. So we're gonna take off the backing sheet. So we're going to keep it in a relative extension and abduction position. We're going to keep it in a shortened position and a slight radial deviation. And we're going to apply the tape. So get the anchor tension on. So we're going to hold it so that it sticks. So usually the tapes around the thumb sticks quite well. In case it doesn't stick, we can add another tape just to anchor it. So to lock off the strip. So here we're going to take off the two ends. So we're going to get them into that position, shortened position, and we're going to hold on and just wipe down and position. Right, and the other strip. So we're going to keep it there and bring down and trace that. So what we see here is we're creating that soft tissue spongy feel to help offload the soft tissue. And can you just bring it down? So when they bring it down, they still have movement, but it will do the work of the extensors and the abductors, and taking up some of the tensile loads. Now, in order to improve the offloading a bit more, we can do it by two techniques. One, we just use a lateral strip, so we can strip here to add in more offloading, or you can use a Y strip, another Y strip again. So let's look at this first. So make sure the tape is on the skin. So what we're going to here is hold on. We're going to take up the soft tissue as much as possible and tape and tape. So that will give an additional offloading for the anatomical snuff box region. So the other way we can do is we can use the Y strip. Oops. We can use the Y strip. Take off the backing sheet. So you just place the anchor just below the area of tenderness. And take up. So you can take up. Just keep it in. We don't need lots of tension here. The tension will be created by the tape itself. So try to put it near as much skin as possible. So you can see here that there's more spongy area now, so whereby creating like a diamond shape and offloading the soft tissue around here. So they'll be relaxing, so they'll be able to move, just move into movements, but it will rebound back by helping the extensors and the abductors. So so thereby in case of when we test it in Finkelstein, so we are actually stretching it, creating a tensile and also a compressive force. And now with the tape, you have created a reduction in the tensile load through load management and the compressive load through boxing up the soft tissue, right? So this is the second technique. This is the thumb technique.